Ready? Oscar's first attempt at cereal. Delicious. You look interested. What do you think? Stir it up, stir it up. What do you think, buddy? You want to try that? You want to see what that is? What do you think? What do you think? It's kind of weird. Oh. It's good and weird all at the same time? You don't know? Don't stick it too far back. Oh. You want to try a bit more? Okay, well, have fun. Not so sure? Not so sure? It's so fun. It's kind of weird. Here.
Your face says not so delicious.
It's got milk in it.
Go ahead.
Good boy, honey.
Go ahead.
You're so sweet. You're doing a good job. You keep trying, honey. What are they doing to me? What are they doing to me? Is it fun? Okay. You want to try a little more? What do you think? What do you think is weird? I'm not so sure. Oh. He just wants to eat the spoon. He doesn't want the food on it. What are they doing to me, these weird parents? Good money. It's almost like milk.
He's not enjoying it.
No. We'll try again tomorrow. What do you think?
Having a gnome duck. That's better.
Now there's cereal all over the gnome duck. Okay. Good try, buddy. Good try.